Dewey DC in the building. As y'all can see from the title, steps to do before you apply for monetization. I was thinking about this because some of this applies to myself. Currently, as you can see, I'm not eligible to apply for monetization, but it did bring up a point of what I had an issue with in the past. If you anything like me, you would think because you're a small YouTuber, it doesn't matter once you get your watch time and subscribers, you can go ahead and apply for monetization. In my case, I didn't follow a lot of YouTube guidelines. So if you like me and you had swearing in some popular videos, these are some things you can do before getting monetized. 3 things. The first one, you can either private or unlist your videos. Doing this will affect the watch time of popular videos. And even with this step, I don't think it's going to be all that effective because YouTube can still see your videos while they're reviewing it. Step 2, you can delete all your videos. This basically serves the same purpose as I said with the private and unlisting your videos. It's going to affect watch time. And so that may or may not hurt your channel depending on how big the views. If it's a popular video that drives a lot of traffic to your channel, it's definitely going to hurt it. Now, step 3 is what I'm currently going to be doing. You can keep your videos, but also if you got a lot of swearing in your videos like I do, if somewhere down the line I want to apply for monetization, you can use the YouTube video editor. Which, by the way, I'm going to put a link in the description to the YouTuber that showed me how to do it. He did a very detailed video, especially for somebody that don't really know how to edit videos that well. And then the YouTube video editor is very confusing. So he breaks it down real good. And I needed to basically take out some curse words or whatever on popular videos. The rest of that stuff, I'm probably going to end up maybe deleting that as I gain more followers because I probably get more of those views anyway, so I can afford to delete those videos. But all my high traffic video that kind of just took off and got some hits, I'm going to keep those and just edit all the bad words out of it, And basically, I wanted to name this how to get monetized while swearing or cursing in your videos, but ain't nobody really looking for search terms like that. So this is how I'm going to do it in my case for all us people that like to swear. And, especially my Australians, I don't really think I get a lot of views from them. But anyway, anyone that like to curse in their video, hey, we have to play the game. It's monetization game until we get there. Then guess what? If you want to curse all you want, my plans is, and I'm sorry for this extra ramble. Y'all can leave if you want. But my plans is, since I do curse a lot and I don't run, I don't know. I think it brings kind of energy of what I'm talking about at the time. So I do plan on still continue to swear even when I do get the monetization. Like I said in the past, some videos, if it's just cutthroat, I'm going to demonetize the video myself and just go at it. Because, YouTube is not my primary source of income. It would be something great to have along the side, but hey. Y'all, this has been my video of the monetization plans and possible YouTubers that's coming up as well. This is your boy DC The Truth. I'm signing this out for real.